I received an email from my Ring system that I need to change the battery on this Gen 1 Ring window sensor. Now, depending on if you have this installed on the left or the right, either the top or the bottom of your sensor unit here will have a little half-moon crescent that you need to push in to release the cover. So I've found that using a flathead screwdriver makes it easy to push this in and pull this out. Note that your alarm system must be off when you do this, because when you pull this cover off, the tamper button will get triggered here and your alarm will know that somebody's tampering with a sensor. So if you have the phone app, it's going to report the tamper warning. The replacement battery will be a CR123A lithium. You can buy a pack of these from Amazon Basics if you'd like. Simply put the spring side in first, compress the spring, put it in place, the light will turn on. There's a little notch on the non-half moon side. That needs to go over the back here first, and then you need to push this plastic to make sure it goes inside the opening for it. Like so. And you'll know it's in place properly when there's no gaps around the sides.